right, you welcome. Now me be Ozobaba. Your money is my money, my money is my money in the bank. All right, we're gonna drop them as they odd or as they odd. So make you no forget, say you need to subscribe. Click that bell when you don't press subscription, so you're gonna get update as they odd. So welcome to Talk Am as e be. In this program, we go give una date in history, wetin be today's date, wetin happen for today's date. We go even give una trendy entertainment, culture, everything. We go carry you along on wetin dey trend for your neighborhood. All right, when we come back, we go start. All right, you welcome back. Make we go into date in history. Yes, date in history. Now, September 18, 1957, Nigerian National Broadcasting Service begin operation. Now, the papa of NTA, where they see today. Also, now September 18, 1978, Camp Nou Stadium for Barcelona open with fire march. And on September 18, 2010, Super Eagles legend Kanu Nwankwo retire officially from national football. Now see say September 18 carry big history. E carry big history. So make we not go far before we enter entertainment news. Make we give una the ogbonge African funny idiom. You know am now. Make we start am.
Wetin dey make me love you so? Your beauty shine like glowing light. You be my African queen, oh. Wetin I go do make you love me tight? Girl, you dey make me crazy. With your booty you dey amaze me. You be my queen, my heart desire. African queen, I go love you, Kaya. African queen, you shine so bright, like diamond in the night.
Alright, welcome back. Those idioms now waiting the trend for street. Who no gree go chop breakfast sharp. Yes, you go chop breakfast. So make we go to our next on the agenda. Make we tell you now waiting the trend. Yeah, waiting the trend. The update on the fire will happen for Island. Now the video you dey see so. Yes. Make we reason Lagos matter. The aftermath of the Lagos Island fire still dey odd. People dey waka, dey find waiting remain. Traders dey cry, some dey blame government, others dey say na carelessness. Naija wahala no dey finish o, but as dem talk, fire no dey fear water, na human eye e dey burn pass. Abeg government suppose step in sharp make e no be say you go dey hear another disaster gist tomorrow. But the koko be say people no dey even reason. People wey dey build the house, they dey do anyhow. Yes, they dey do anyhow. Government don say make una dey build exit route for emergency. You go see that building where people just dey fly like Superman from that building. If to say the exit route dey, people no go fear like that. Then they need to dey do drilling. Yes, normal drilling, so that when emergency come, people go remember where to run go. Because during emergency, wetin una no practice before, an emergency come, people go dey confused. If you see one of the video where the man jump, now fear make the man jump, go jump for the wrong corner. At the end they say he break leg, he break hand. I don't know what he break, but he break something sharp. If you see that video. All right, when we come back, we will give now the next one where they happen for entertainment gist. Alright, welcome back. This video where the trend where I see yesterday, more the things scatter ground. Is it true Tiwa Savage date Wizkid? You remember one video where they do together where Wizkid take shooting one of his song some years back. People begin shout say, I take Wizkid like that, how Wizkid take Olan for waist like that. But this video, some kurukere move come out. But I want to make you just watch these short clips. Put your comment. You think say dem date have been wetin you think say happen between them? Trailer don pass their between abi wetin? I no wan talk too much. Make we watch this short clip.
You knew the girl.
No, it's
That's what I was.
She got pregnant.
No, it's a disrespect. Like, like you know, like I'm a public figure, and he is as well. Oh my God, I hope he doesn't. So he did this thing where he's just like, I don't want us to go public because I don't want people to know and all that kind of stuff. So I'm like, okay, cool. Then it was like, okay, when we go out, I might be talking to other people, but I'm just doing it so people don't suspect. And it was like, okay, but how far are you going with this?
That went off. He had a good.
No, yeah, and we might be in the same event, and he's
Working the room.
yeah, like probably like talking, rubbing, like he's like, and I'm there, and he's still looking at me like I'm just doing this, and I can't say nothing.
I mean,
You can't.
And it's in front of me. Or like we're in a.
Alright, you don't hear wetin Tiwa talk about the star boy where people still dey cut goat for Naija. Na so e be for that one. So make we go for the next one. This one na culture. Twale for culture. Who know twale for culture? Omo, na him sabi o. Alright, una been see one video wey trend one time ago, like some few days back. Yes, when the guy go restaurant and be wear bar, one thing, go dey propose to him girlfriend. But because this guy no gree kneel, the girlfriend begin para. Say no do this, that. Alright, now so that one pass. But now the guy don't come talk his own side. Say people just dey comment anyhow, they open mouth, they drop ragus. Wetin dem no know as the thing take happen. But for Africa, really, man need to kneel down before you say abeg marry me. How we gonna carry white man put for head like say one thing? But make we listen to this guy comment. Yes, before we begin talk, I wanna make we listen to her.
I don't have to kneel down. I don't have to kneel down to come to my life. I don't have to kneel down.
I have to go on your knees.
Why are you raising your voice? This is just a proposal. Every single thing about you.
No, but wait a minute. Why did you just go down on your knees like other men do? What's the problem?
Why are you shouting? You're embarrassing me. Why in public? No, don't tell me that. Why would you tell me to kneel down?
Very supposed to. You know where to find
They come back here. No, what's wrong with you? Come here. What's wrong?
Wait.
Hello guys, I've been getting so much of hate comments concerning my video about the proposal that's like trending on the internet. Some of you said I am proud, some of you said I'm a red flag, that the girl was saved. I don't know, you guys like said a whole lot of things. So I want to like ask you a question. So those of you that were like saying shit, I literally do everything right for this girl. There's like nothing that I don't do right. I do every single thing right. So the fact that I couldn't kneel down to like propose to her doesn't mean that I am a bad person. Like, you guys should like think. So because I didn't kneel down to propose to my girlfriend means that I'm a bad person. So every single thing I've been doing right has like been cancelled. That's just one thing. Okay. Even if I did not kneel down to propose, so was there enough reason? Was it like enough reason for my supposed wife to like embarrass me, to raise her voice and create a scene in public and on the internet space? Like, I'm trying to understand, is it enough reason for her to like create a scene in the internet space? You all should like think. It's not everybody that will like kneel down. I had my reasons why I did not kneel down. I had my reasons. So like, you all that are like dropping hate comments, I really don't know. In fact, I don't even care about anybody. Whatever you want to think, whatever you want to say, it's your fucking business. It's your business. You all should just get the fuck out.
But if you don't remember that gist, take your tongue, count your teeth. I still remember Ozobaba, your money is my money, my money is my money in the bank. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. They follow us. We're going to give you now. Tell your friend, make it watch. Tell your enemy, make it watch. Tell them, make them comment, like, share this video. So you go to encourage us, make we drop up as the day. See you very soon. Not be next time.